Hi, so we have discussed till our last video about what is stats. So another point it comes here as process problems. So I'll start off with accuracy and precision related. So here it is talking about when process is not accurately followed. That includes under accuracy and precision when employees are not goal oriented. Coaching needs to be given to improve precision. This is just an example about precision, that there is the accuracy but the quality is not there. So this was just the point. So another point which we are going to discuss about, that is DMAIC roadmap, as you already know about it, but we'll be discussing about that in a bit of depth. So I will start off with DMAIC approach. Firstly, we'll talk about define, measure, then analyze, improve, and control. I'll be taking a different case study here. The case study is related to IMF bank simulation. So it is serving clients in more than 9 countries and it's the 5th largest provider in the world. This would be the case study for all these steps which we will be discussing in coming lectures. The problem statement here first is that clients call to the customer service number and there are a lot of issues are there to be followed, right? And the role which needs to be followed or taken care by the manager of this bank is to exceed customer satisfaction level and reduce operational cost by 10%. So as we already know that this is not actually happening, so this includes a case study wherein the Six Sigma needs to be implemented, and again this will take a lot of time to improve and giving out of the control that what is actually happening and what is the outcome of the methodology followed. So you have to act as a Six Sigma expert here. Ethan is no one but the manager, and we have to help Ethan for the the reports he's getting out of this whole case study. The report is nothing but the customer satisfaction letters which he is getting. So I'll be starting off with the define phase. I, being a lean Six Sigma expert, that to the green belt, so we need to know that what is the define phase talks about. What problem are you trying to solve? So we have a problem statement with us, right? Define your customer, capture VOC. Who are the customers? Customer can be internal and external. Suppliers can be internal and external. Internal customers can be the investors or the shareholders, and external customer would be the clients or the end users who is actually affected from these services. Capture VOC. We have to capture the voice of customer, so that we'll be getting that what is the issue and what can be the ideal solution of it. We can capture all the voices of associate, investor, customer, process, and suppliers. Capturing voice of customer can be from these ways, can be from surveys, interviews, focus groups, suggestions, observations. As we already know that if population is more, we can definitely refer for surveys. We can never go for interviews since the population is high, so the sampling would be from that particular population. We'll be talking about what is affinity diagram. So affinity diagram is nothing but when you're capturing the data in a structured or unstructured way. When you have to analyze large amount of unstructured data, that is called affinity diagram. So structured data is nothing but it includes number, dates, groups, formats, title, context, and unstructured includes no length, data defined, more like a human language. If I'm giving you the example from my side, is that unstructured can be that calls are getting dispersed and disconnected in particular period of time or within some seconds. That is the unstructured data. Structured data can be these number of calls are getting disconnected from this point of time, from this point of from these agents, and it is getting the issue in these soft phones. It's just an example I'm giving you that of unstructured data. So I'm hoping that this is clear to you, and we will be discussing about the another steps under define phase that will be more, you'll be more conscious of it, that what does it actually means.